Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add a product to checkout page in FunnelKit in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our funnel sale page. So we are going to add product in buy now. So click on it. We are using FunnelKit plugin. When we click on buy now, then you see no product in this checkout page, so we are going to add it. Now go to dashboard and we are using funnel builder for WordPress by FunnelKit plugin. On left side you see FunnelKit and then you see funnel, so click on it. So this is FunnelKit we created, so click on it. Now you see main page, checkout page, thank you page, and then you see checkout page, so click on it. And then in checkout page you see design, product, optimization setting, and then you see product, so click on it. And then you see add a product to checkout page, so click on add product. Then you see select product, so write here your product name. Now fetching product, so this is our product. Now select and then click on add. Now you see product is added. If you want you can add some discount. And then you see quantity. Now you see drop down, so you can do setting according to your requirement, and if you want you can add more product and then click on save. Now change is saved. Go to checkout page again, back to main funnel page. Again you see buy now button, so click on it. So we are in checkout page and now you don't see any message. Scroll down, in order summary you see product. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.